Good morning, friends. Today I want to discuss a very good play, Tara, written by Mahesh Dattani, Indian author, Mahesh Dattani. Friends, in paper 8, I have taught all the topics, all the units, but remaining units number 3, Tara. Today I want to discuss the unit 3, Tara. Friends, first of all we discuss the play Tara. First we know about the author's biography. Friends, Mahesh Dattani was born on 7th August. Mahesh Dattani was born on 7th August 1958 in Bangalore. આપણા જે લેખક છે બેંગ્લોરમાં જન્મેલા છે. Friends, he was actor, director, playwright and also television artist. He was also television artist and a very good writer of the Indian English drama. He has given rich and remarkable contribution to the Indian English drama. આપણા જે ઓથર છે એમને બહુ સારું એવું યોગદાન ઇન્ડિયન ઇંગ્લિશ ડ્રામાના અંદર આપેલું છે. તમારી પરીક્ષામાં સપોઝ એવો પ્રશ્ન પૂછાય કે મહેશ દત્તાની એઝ અ પ્લે રાઇટર, with special reference to the play Tara discuss. So તમે you can write about it. So I have given the biography of Mahesh Dattani. Friends, Mahesh Dattani is doyen and daring dramatic tradition in the realm of the contemporary Indian English drama with innovative bend, artistic perception and originality of vision. He has altered and enriched the Indian English drama, Indian English theoretical direction, and he has been conferred the most prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his best work, The Final Solution. Mahesh Dattani was awarded, or Mahesh Dattani got the most prestigious award, Sahitya Akademi Award, for his best work, The Final Solution. Final Solution નામના ડ્રામા માટે એમને મહેશ દત્તાણીને renowned playwright ને સાહિત્ય અકાદમી એવોર્ડ મળેલો છે. મહેશ દત્તાણી is arguably one of the best playwright the country has ever produced. મહેશ દત્તાણી જેવા રાઇટર આજે કોઈ પ્રોડ્યુસ થશે નહીં. Born in Bangalore on 7th August 1958, Dattani studied Baldwin High School and S.T. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Bangalore. બેંગ્લોરમાં આપણા ઓથર છે મહેશ દત્તાણી, એમને પોતાનું એજ્યુકેશન લીધેલું છે. He took his education at the Bangalore S.T. Paul College, S.T. Joseph College, and he is graduated in history. હિસ્ટ્રીના અંદર ગ્રેજ્યુએટ થયેલા છે. ઇકોનોમિક્સ એન્ડ પોલિટિકલ સાયન્સ એમાં પણ ગ્રેજ્યુએટની ડિગ્રી મેળવેલી છે. He is a post graduate in marketing and advertising management. પોસ્ટ ગ્રેજ્યુએટ જે છે એમનું માર્કેટિંગ મેનેજમેન્ટ એન્ડ એડવર્ટાઇઝિંગ મેનેજમેન્ટના અંદર કરેલું છે. He has worked as a copywriter. During his career, he started his work as a copywriter and advertising field. અને ફિલ્મમાં એડવર્ટાઇઝિંગ કરવા. Subsequently, with his father in the family business. આ જે છે કોપીરાઇટર એમનું ફેમિલી બિઝનેસ હતું. દત્તાણી's theatre group It was performed in 1984 and he has directed several plays. For them, ranging from the classical Greece to the contemporary works, and the author of more than 15 plays. He wrote more than 15 plays. મહેશ દત્તાણી છે એમણે 15 કરતા વધારે નાટકો લખેલા છે during his career. Then he made his direction debut with the Mango Safar. Over a career spanning 25 years. Over his career spanning 25 years, he has written radio plays in the BBC. Mahesh Dattani wrote radio plays in the BBC. Film script, ઘણી બધી ફિલ્મ સ્ક્રિપ્ટોના અંદર કામ કરેલું છે. એક અલગ મોસમ એમણે ફિલ્મ સ્ક્રિપ્ટ લખેલી છે, નામ છે એક અલગ મોસમ. And had two collection of his plays published. અને એમના બે કલેક્શન જે છે પબ્લિશ થયેલા છે. The International Herald Tribune, એક નામ છે The International Herald Tribune. While praising Mahesh Dattani, described him as one of the India's best and most serious contemporary playwriters writing in English. He was the best serious contemporary playwriter. He writes in English, not in the regional language, but he wrote in the English language. L.O.P. Padma Shri, the giant theatre figure, helped Mahesh Dattani a great deal in building a self-esteem as well as assisted him in securing a regular audience for his play. And Mahesh Dattani points out his preface, Aliki believing my work even before I believed in myself. Aliki એવું કહેતા હતા કે Aliki મારા વર્કનું માને, હું મારા વર્કના અંદર માનું, એના પહેલા એ લોકો મારા વર્કના અંદર બહુ રસ રાખતા. And he gave me courage to write the playwriter. He gave me courage to write the play. In 1998, Dattani won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his best. 1998, Mahesh Dattani won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1998 for his best well-known play. For his best well-known play, Final Solution. And Mahesh Dattani is India's first playwriter. Mahesh Dattani is India's first playwriter who won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his contribution to the world of the drama. And his play deals with the religious tension. મોટા ભાગના એના નાટકો જે છે નાટકો deals with the religious tension. Gender issue, મોટા ભાગના નાટકો જે છે ધાર્મિક ટેન્શન પર લખેલા છે. પછી જેન્ડર ઇશ્યુઝ, સેક્સ્યુઆલિટી, and he was the most serious contemporary dramatist. He is a director, actor, narrator and writer, full-time writer. He directed Pre-Excellence and many of his plays have been staged to the universal acclaim, but his international acclaim rests his writing. He wrote so many plays where there is a will, Tara, Bravely, The King, Final Solution, On Muggy Night, Dance Like a Thief, Dance Like a Man, Bravely Before the King, On Muggy Nights in the Mumbai, Tara. આ જે બધા છે નાટકો મહેશ દત્તાણીએ લખેલા છે. Then Dattani, like the precursors Vijay Tendulkar and Badal Sarkar, believes in the fact that playwriters should write about the evils present in the society of his time. Vijay Tendulkar, Badal Sarkar અને આ મહેશ દત્તાણી એવા લોકો હતા કે સમાજના અંદર જે દૂષણો હોય, the evils in the society, they wanted His plays have varied content and various opinion. His characters struggle for some kind of the freedom and happiness under the weight of the tradition, cultural constructions of gender and desire. Dattani seems to follow the statements strictly. He writes about the issues which are very contemporary in the nature, like the gender issues. He wrote so many plays, and in these plays dealt with the gender issue. જાતિગત જે ભેદભાવ છે મેલ ફિમેલ નો એના વિશે લખેલા છે, સેક્સ્યુઆલિટી ઉપર લખેલા છે, હોમોસેક્સ્યુઆલિટી ઉપર લખેલા છે, ધેન કોમ્યુનલિઝમ એના ઉપર લખેલા છે, અને રિલિજિયસ ઇશ્યુ, ધાર્મિક ઇશ્યુ. These are the main theme of the plays written by Mahesh Dattani. Friends, his plays depicts and marginalize groups of the society, people who considers misfits in the society, stereotype attitudes and notion. Friends, in this play Tara, Dattani does not provide a solution to the prevalent gender bias. In this particular play Tara, Mahesh Dattani explained the gender issues and simply removes the wherein they expose in the most bitter form. Another play, wrote Dattani bravely for the queen, boldly explains the prevalence of the woman exploitation and the homosexuality. These are the themes interwoven in the play bravely for the queen. તારા અંદર જેન્ડર ઇશ્યુ, કાસ્ટ ડિસ્ક્રિમિનેશન નો પ્રશ્ન છે, જ્યારે bravely for queen એના અંદર homosexuality and the exploitation of the woman આ બંને થીમને મહેશ દત્તાણીએ બહુ સારી રીતે ડિપિક્ટ કરેલો છે. Mahesh Dattani bears life to the bone, dealing with the gender issues. He is a spokesperson, and every individual he says wants to be part of the society, of the ministry, but must knowledge that he acquired. Thank you, friends. Please listen this video very carefully.